CJ, your favorite scuba diver here with Deep South Divers. Today we're going from our home in Savannah, Georgia over to Hilton Head Island. We're looking at how a bank is eroding and trying to figure out how to stop the erosion. You can see how the sidewalk next to the channel is collapsing, and we're trying to figure out why. Every few months, a nearby dam is opened up for a few hours to release fresh water from upstream. This is what it looks like when they do. In between the orange cones is the primary area of concern. What we're looking for is evidence of erosion and where it's coming from. That could be anything from swirl or eddy marks in the mud to mounds of dirt and debris piled in places where it shouldn't be. It might look like channels or streams in the mud or a complete lack of silt and debris in one area. The first thing that I do is make sure that I'm in the right area, right where the sidewalk is collapsing. This is what it looks like underwater. Since I don't see anything obvious, I'll come up and make sure that I'm in the right place, and I am. But I'll go ahead and head towards the center of the lagoon just to see if I see anything strange. I hit the bottom of the rock pile and then the bottom of the lagoon, and the bottom of the lagoon is pretty silty. I'll stick my hand in to check the silt depth. It seems to be about a foot thick. I'm going to check my location and just make sure that I'm in the right spot, and then head towards the center of the lagoon again. Checking my depth. Yep, about a foot and a half thick. And here I am about in the center of the lagoon. You can see that the silt is only about 1.5 inches thick. That's because when they release the water, the silt gets washed out.
So, I've got sand with about 1 inch of pluff mud on top. That over there, the pluff mud is 1.5 feet thick.
I promised Jason that I would make a complete swim from the dam itself all the way past the collapsing area so that he could see if there was any difference in the way that the bottom looked between the collapsing area and the rest of the wall. What you're looking at now is that footage.
With this? Yeah, about 55 pounds right now. 55. No, these are the lighter tanks. You should see the heavy ones. Yeah, that's true. No, here.
Oh, I understand.
Take them up in pieces.
Thanks for the work, Jason, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video.